Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable pause updates on Windows May 10, 2019 update. Type bedite.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click Windows Update. Double-click to open Remove Access to Pause Updates feature. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Exit Local Group Policy Editor. Restart your computer. Pause updates successfully disabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.